Cards by Kate Fletcher. Today I am unboxing the Papercraft Society subscription box. This is box number 9 and it is by Olga. So let's have a little look. So as usual, it's a really pretty box. All the boxes that this subscription kit comes in, they're always absolutely stunning. This one has musical notes all over it, so I'm guessing that's a clue to what is inside. So let's have a little look. So the first thing in the lid, it says music is timeless. Use the versatile kit to make cards all year round. Okay, so it is musical. So Olga does Paper Discovery. That's her brand. So here we go. Now the other thing we get with this kit is a stamp set, I think it is, worth $9.99 that we claim from Craft Stash. I've already had a look and decided which one I want, so I have to do the order for that later. So as always, I'm going to start with the wallet. There's a thing about sharing your makes with the Papercraft Society hashtag. Oops. So music is pleasing to the ear. Let's see what we have here. Look at these beautiful papers. Oh wow, is that vellum? Look, it is. Grab this so you can see. Is that going to show up? I can't see, the sun's right in the way, but that is really beautiful musical note vellum. That is so pretty. I love it. So we have 2 sheets of vellum. No, we don't. We have more. Look. Oh my word. Can you see that? That is gorgeous. That is musical note vellum, which I'm really hoping is showing up on camera, but I can't actually see. So we have the musical note vellum. Then we have some, okay, cardstock this way. Really pretty floral paper. Wow, look at that. Looks like someone's stood a teacup over the top, but I actually quite like that. Look, oh my word, look at that. I love that. And then we have a wood grain effect one as well. I love those papers. If you follow my channel a lot, you will know I'm a real paper addict. So those have ticked all of my boxes, and that vellum is gorgeous. Look forward to playing with that. Then we have, with this kit, you can make it pleasing to the eye as well. We have a stamp set. Wow, look at that. So I'm not very good with musical instruments. I know that looks like a recorder. I think that's a saxophone. I've no idea what that's called. That's a trumpet, isn't it? Let's be honest. I know what that is, I just can't think off the top of my head. That is an awesome stamp set, and that will work really well with the musical notes and musical instrument stamp set that came with Creative Stamping, I think 2 years ago. It was awesome. In fact, let me just grab it just so I can show you. So this is the stamp set I'm talking about. It was by Sheena Douglas, sorry, and it was called the Music and Dance Collection. I think Craft Stash still have the Apple Blossom version of this on their website, and you can probably find this kit on eBay or some D-Stash sites on Facebook. But look how well those will work together. So I am super excited about that. Okay, and then we have, whether you make a card or make music, never stop playing. I like that sentiment. I think that's a really nice thing to say, actually. So we have, oh that's cool, look at this embossing folder. It's got a piano that side and it has musical notes that side. That is pretty awesome. I love that. That's brilliant. And then we have the dies. So we have the guitar, we have some flourishes, got some lovely musical notes and things. That is awesome. They look like flowers. Isn't that a lovely, lovely die set? And again, that will work really well with the stamp set from Creative Stamping Magazine. So actually I've got something that works really well with other things in my stash, which is quite handy really. So we've had a look at that. Let's dig in to the tissue and see what's in here. Wow, okay. We have sequins which are in the form of musical notes. That is so cool. Let's just get a few out. Look at these. I love them. Do you know, I really think Craft Stash should start selling items out of the subscription boxes as well. Like after the box is done, maybe they should do a range of like the embellishments that come in the boxes, because I would buy these on their own because I think those are fabulous. I don't know what you think. Would you buy something like that if it was done separately? I wouldn't want to spend loads. I'd spend maybe, I don't know, £1.50 for a bag of those. I would spend it. And then we have, oh, this looks like, is that glitter or embossing powder? It's gold. I might have to have a look at the book to work out what that is, but it's either glitter or embossing powder. That is really cool. And we have some more inks, which look kind of orangey brown. So they can go in my storage box for the Papercraft Society inks. I'll do that in a minute. We have our card. We always get these and I really like them. It's never too late to pick up a musical instrument or to make a music themed card. Okay, well, let me say, I'll make a music themed card. I can't read music. I wasn't very good even at the recorder, so I don't think I'll be picking up a musical instrument. Although saying that, I've got a little bag of instruments that I play with my daughter, and we have fun with those, so I suppose it is never too late. Oh, okay, so that has to be embossing powder because this is tips on heat embossing. So that's cool. That can go on my little keyring I have of all the Papercraft Society cards. So this is how I store all of my Papercraft Society cards, and the baby's just woken up. Marvellous. Yeah, so I just punch through and that will go on there. This is the book that comes with the Papercraft Society kit with loads of inspiration and stuff, and then that tells you everything that we have in here. So D, yeah, no, yeah, gold embossing powder. Right, mine's got a misprint because that clearly says D, which should be coloured cardstock, and G is definitely over there, and that says gold embossing powder. But we'll let them off because it's not hard to work it out, is it? Okay, so that is the book that comes with Papercraft Society, so I'll have a good look through that later. Right, I also now have a little helper come to help with the video, so I've now got to try and do everything one-handed. Sit there. So then we have the cardstock, so we'll have a look at that. And actually that's the last thing in the box. Okay, so again, it's always good quality cardstock that we get with the Papercraft Society boxes. So we have like a kind of caramelly goldy colour. Then there is 2 of black. We have this really lovely gold mirror card type one. So yeah, that's what's in the box. So that is what was in box 9 of Papercraft Society for this month. Next month it's really exciting because we have a box coming from Sam Calcott of Mixed Up Craft. She recently launched her own brand called Made to Surprise, and she has a box in July, and I'm even more excited because that's my birthday month. So that will be the best present. So I hope you have enjoyed watching my unboxing video. Thank you very much for joining me today. I will put in the description box of this video a link to the Papercraft Society sign up page, and it also gives you £5 off and me £5 off. So if you want to sign up to these boxes you can, and you can use my link and then you get the money off, and if you don't want to use it, that's absolutely fine. So I will be back soon with more videos. I hope you are all keeping well and safe. Take care, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.